Okay, sixth grade, happy Friday. Thank you. Our object today is to apply properties of exponents to some more challenging problems. It's about that time. So I know I answered a lot of questions yesterday on homework and on the warm-up, so you guys are ready for this. You will have some problems to try. I just am not sure how many yet. As always, it depends on how you guys and girls do in class today. So let's start with our warm-up, then we'll do just like a basic review, and then we'll get into some of the harder problems. Okay, so on the warm-up, on page 57 of your homework packet, there were two sides, a left and a right. So let's start with the left side. Okay, there were 10 problems on the left side. So Briar, could you start us off with number 1, please? Good. Zach, number 2. Good. Jeremy, number 3. Good. Emma M, number 4. Good. Number 5, Adam. Good job. Sean, number 6. Good. Annalise, number 7. Nope. Charles, number 7. Good. A. Number 8, Mary. Good. Number 9, Emma H. Good. X cubed, y squared. Alyssa, number 10. Good. 5a squared. I'm going to put a little line here. Let's move over to the right side. The top had 1 through 6. Bottom has 7 through 12. So Donatus, number 1 on the right side. Okay, 1 over 4 cubed. Number 2, Jeremy. Good. Number 3, Doug. Good. Matt, number 4. Good. Zach, number 5. Good. Number 6, Briar. Good. C over D to the 5th. Number 7, Sean. Good. Annalise, number 8. Good. Charles, number 9. Good. Number 10, Mary. Good. Number 11, Adam. Good. Emma M, number 12. Good job. Awesome. Any questions, Mary? Okay. Let me move this. Is it okay if I move this, guys? Still or no? Do you guys need me? Aw. Okay, so we're just going to finish the notes on the last part of the 4 problems. You can get them from a friend Monday or come see me Monday and I'll give them to you. Okay. Feel better? Thank you. Okay, thank you, Sean. Okay, Mary, number 4. What? Did I not say Sean?
I'm just saying that.
Oh, don't confuse me, please. Okay, number 4. 3y to the negative second. So first thing you do is put a 1 above the 3 and the y. Distribute negative 2 to each term. 3 to the negative second, y to the negative second. Move them to the bottom. Okay. Doug. Here, the answers are up there. Annalise. What's B? Okay, good. B, this 0 is 1, so B's gone. No. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So it's gone. Just like we talked about a couple days ago, anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay? And then same thing with number 10, b to the first over b to the first. You can think of it 2 ways. B divided by b is 1. It's gone. Or the exponent of 1 minus the exponent of 1 is 0. B to the 0 is 1. Okay? Alyssa? B to the 0? Or just b? Yeah, that's wrong. Because b to the 0 is 1 is not the same thing as b. Unless it's what? Yeah, we don't know that. Oh, goodness, you guys. You're right, but we don't know that. So, no. Do you understand why? Okay. Yes, you may. Thank you for asking. Any other questions or comments on the warm-up? Okay, what did you guys think of the homework last night? I know I'm going to grade it, so I'll see here later today. Okay. So the grades will be in the grade book. I'm just going to do 1 point per problem, so it'll be out of 16 as a homework assignment. Okay? It'll be in there today, if not this weekend, depending on how today goes. All right. I need you guys to take out your notebook or a piece of paper. Okay? Notebook or a piece of paper. Okay, and then I'm going to wait until everyone's ready, and we're going to write the problem down together. Mary? Yeah. Go ahead. Notebook or piece of paper, and I'll wait until you guys are ready, and then we'll write down the problem together. Well, we're going to start with one, but we're going to do more than one. Good question. Briar? They're challenge exponent problems. They're here to intimidate you. Did you? At school? Good. Donatus and I, but good job. Okay. Adam? Yeah. Yep. So, title your paper, Challenge Exponent Problems. I thought I had typed up here, I guess not. Okay. Number one. We're going to write it together. I'm going to start with this one. I have a couple of them, but I'm going to try to do one of each type for now. So starting with this. Yep. Make a fraction bar. Big parentheses. And then on the numerator, you should have a parenthesis and then another parenthesis. So inside the little parenthesis, 4t to the negative second. Outside of it, f to the negative third. Big parenthesis, well, kind of big, medium parenthesis, all raised to the second. Put a 4 outside the big parenthesis. I'm waiting. Shh. I'm not going anywhere, and the problem's not going to run away from us. The bottom, medium parenthesis, 6t to the negative second, f to the fourth, f to the fifth, all to the negative third power. Do not start yet. I want to give you some strategies. So those of you who'd like to go ahead of me, don't do it yet. Mary. Yeah, we're getting there, but don't do that first. Okay. Does everyone have the problem written down? Okay. Sorry, I guess I could have typed these for you. I just wasn't sure what problems I wanted to do. Hold on, we're getting there. Hold on. Doug, do you need something? Oh, hold on. We're getting to that. Hold on. Okay, very first thing I want you to do on these big challenge problems, very first thing I want you to do is take the power of a power and multiply them. So I want you to circle what I just circled. We're going to multiply all of that together. Okay? So circle what I just circled. We're going to multiply power of a power first. Now, could you do it other ways? Yeah, but in my opinion, for you guys, because there's so many steps on here, the easiest thing to do is simplify from the outside in. Our first goal is still to get rid of parentheses. Our second goal is still to move negative exponents. Third goal is simplify. You guys remember those rules from the order of operations? Give me a head nod. Okay, so we need to, let's rewrite everything, okay? So we need our fraction bar. Let's take care of what's in the numerator first. 4t to the negative second, f to the negative third, medium-sized parenthesis. What's the new exponent on the medium-sized parenthesis? Mary? Good, to the eighth. So the denominator, we have our medium-sized parenthesis, 6t to the negative second, f to the fourth, f to the 5th. What goes outside the medium-sized parenthesis? Adam. Good, negative 12. So first thing, get rid of the big parentheses. So we already eliminated one set of parentheses. Okay. Second step, stay with me. Let's get rid of these annoying little ones inside. So let's get rid of these ones next. Okay. How do we get rid of these parentheses? Briar? Good. Put a 1 above each of them. We're going to distribute negative 2 to each parenthesis. So our numerator becomes 4 to the negative 2nd, t to the negative 2nd, f to the negative 3rd, all raised to the 8th. The bottom for now, just rewrite because there are not any little parentheses to get rid of. Okay, so now it looks a little cleaner. We only have medium parentheses on each of them. Mary? Not yet. Not yet. We're going to, but not yet. You can, but stay with me on this one, okay? Emma? Yep. Yep. So next, put a 1 above the 6. Please stay with me. The 8 in the numerator gets distributed to every exponent. The negative 12 in the denominator gets distributed to every exponent. Is everyone with me? Yes. Adam, what do you mean by kind of? Please, okay. Okay. I was going to say translate that for me. All right, so make our fraction bar. Our parentheses are going to be gone. Anyone want to tell us what the numerator is going to be? Annalise. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Okay, anyone want to tell us what the denominator becomes? Briar. Whoa, you're too fast for me. And secondly, what's negative 2 times negative 12? Okay, good. Now, let me say something. A little mistake like that is going to mess up the whole problem. Take your time. Okay, keep going, Briar. Okay. Good. Okay, does everyone agree? Okay, it's actually really easy. It's very tedious. Okay. So, parentheses are all gone magically. What is step 2 in the OOO of exponents? Matt? Good. Move negative numbers. I'm going to circle all the negative numbers on the top. They all move to the bottom. On the bottom, we have this one, and this one. So there's 3 of them that need moved to the top. So our next step is going to be 6 to the positive 12th, f to the 48th, f to the positive 60th, all over 4 to the positive 16th, t to the positive 16th, f to the positive 24th, and then that other t that's randomly sitting there, t to the 24th. Annalise? No. Nope. No. Order never matters, okay? Mary? Good. Step 3 is simplify. So again, these are following my order of operation rules. You could do it a little bit differently, but for now, let's simplify. What's something we could simplify? I want you guys to tell us. Emma H? Good. We can simplify the 2 f's in the numerator. Okay, what else could we simplify? Alyssa? Good. The 2 t's in the denominator. So let's simplify those 2 things. What does the numerator become? Adam? Good. Never told you this would be easy. 6 to the 12th, f to the 108th. What does the bottom become? Denominator, Doug? Okay. Okay. What else? Good. F to the 24th. Are we done? Now what? Alyssa, now what? Awesome. Okay, what's our final answer? Only 2 hands? Mary, what's the final answer? Yay! Doesn't matter. You keep it in exponential form. Just like these. Keep going. True. Okay, Annalise. You tell me. Can you? Can you simplify those? Why not? Right. Can't simplify them. Why not, Annalise? Yeah, the bases are different. So that's our final answer, completely simplified in exponential form. So it's really not that bad, right? You're going to think I'm like crazy, aren't you? It's fun. I have a lot of these problems. So we could have a lot of fun today. I know it's it. We're gonna have another one of these problems. You probably could figure that out, right, Charles? Okay, hold on. Shh, we're gonna do one more, then you're gonna start your homework. So not this one, this one's different. Any questions? Shh, Annalise. Yeah, of course. Okay, you'll see. You'll see. Shh, guys and girls, don't worry about your homework right now, okay? Okay, number 2 in your notebook. Shh, quiet. Oh, wait, hold on. I don't want to do that one. Hold on. Just give me a second here. All right, here we go. Okay, this one's long. Give yourself a whole page. Okay, make a fraction bar. The numerator, medium parentheses, and then little parentheses. 2x to the negative third, w to the fifth, medium parentheses to the negative third, denominator, 5m to the negative second, n to the seventh, all to the third, big parentheses to the fourth, times fraction bar. Oh, you just knew. I could even do divided by. We could get really crazy here and do divided by. 4m to the second, n to the fifth, x to the fourth, over, no parentheses on that, 3w to the third, x to the negative fifth, to the second, all to the, shh, quiet, Jeremy, all to the negative second. Okay, shh, quiet, quiet, or we're going to keep doing them. Shh. Take a minute, make sure you have it written down correctly. If you don't have it written down correctly, it's not going to work out. No. Yeah, they're not. You have just been too smart, so I'm making it harder. Ah, that's a good thing. All right. Oh, Emma. You never did anything to me. Okay, very first thing, get rid of the big parentheses. Okay, Sean? Yeah, I'll wait for you. Get rid of all the big parentheses. Yep, I'm going to give you some strategies. Nope. Annalise? You'll have some of these on there. No, you'll have some. Anything we do in class is fair game for a test. Okay, shh, listen. The first one, okay, we need to take 4 times negative 3, 4 times 3, Okay? On this one, this -2 needs to go to all of these, and it needs to go to this. So our first step is get rid of the big parentheses. So let's start with the left-hand side, even though we're getting rid of the big parentheses all at once. Okay? So we have medium parentheses, and then little parentheses, 2x to the -3rd, w to the 5th. The medium parenthesis, that becomes -12. The bottom medium parenthesis, 5m to the -2nd, n to the 7th. The medium parenthesis exponent becomes 12. Ah, too fast for you guys, huh? Oh. Okay, it's up here. I'm not going to fly through this and leave the smartboard here. Okay, next problem. The numerator becomes, actually you guys tell me, what does the numerator become? Doug? N to the -10th, x to the -8th, okay? Denominator, keep your medium parentheses, and that becomes to the -4th. Yeah, that's a -5. Just a little messy here. Yep, let's raise your hand, Charles, but yes. Yes. I know, this is so exciting. You guys just love this. Okay. Okay, next thing. Let's get rid of these little parentheses in here first, okay? So I'm going to rewrite that just with getting rid of those little parentheses. And then, as Charles said, we'll get rid of the medium ones. So I'm going to rewrite this. So we have 2 to the -3rd, x to the -3rd, w to the 5th, all to the 12th. And then basically, we're just going to rewrite everything. Oh, sorry, -12. Thank you, Charles. I'm looking at the wrong number. Sorry, that should have been -12. And then I'm just going to rewrite everything on the right. These are two separate problems. Different steps, I mean. So 4 to the -2nd, m to the -4th, n to the -10th, x to the -8th. Rewrite the bottom. Okay, so I got rid of those little parentheses. Emma. Yes. Work out to in, except when you have those annoying little parentheses, I would get rid of those first and then go back to the medium ones. I don't know. To me, it's more consistent. You could disagree on that. It doesn't matter. All right, now we need to get rid of the medium parentheses. So this goes to everything. This goes to everything. This goes to everything. This one's already, the parentheses are already gone in the numerator here. Okay? What'd you say, Matt? Right. So the left-hand side, what does the numerator become? Emma H. Okay, hold on one second. 36, you said x to the +36, and you said w to the -60th. Good. Okay. All right. What about the bottom, the denominator of that one? Briar? N to the what? Nope. 7 times 12. Something 4. Okay, good. +84. You okay? Yeah, it's hard because the numbers get really small here. All right. The numerator of the second one, we just rewrite. Okay, the denominator becomes what, Alyssa? Good job. All right. Now what? We're getting there. Parentheses are gone. Do you guys want me to pause for a second? Okay, now what, Doug? Nope. Step 2, after parentheses are gone, get rid of negative exponents. So let's do the left-hand side first. The w to the -60 gets moved to the bottom. M to the -24th gets moved to the top. On the right, all 4 of these gets moved to the bottom. and then the first two in the denominator get moved to the top. Be careful, there's a lot of things you're moving here. Okay, so the left-hand side becomes 2 to the 36th. If I make a mistake, let me know. X to the 36th, m to the 24th, over 5 to the 12th. What's wrong? No, you're moving it because it's positive. You know what I mean, Zach? Okay. Check me, though, because there's a lot of numbers here. The right-hand side becomes 3 to the 4th, w to the 12th. Oh, man. Yep, I did. Thank you. Guys, I forgot about this. I feel bad. Sorry, w to the 60th. I forgot about it. That goes on the bottom. Yeah, watch me, because with me standing here, it's hard. It's easier for you guys back there sometimes. Okay. So let me make sure I get this right. The bottom on this one becomes 4 to the 2nd, m to the 4th, n to the 10th, x to the 8th, x to the 20th. Make sure you guys verify that. All right, everyone take a deep breath. This is exhausting, right? All right, here's the part that's kind of new. So when you're multiplying fractions, how do you multiply fractions? Just normal I'm not done yet. How do you multiply normal fractions? What do you do, Alyssa? You cross simplify. Good. Multiply across the top, across the bottom. Take your writing utensil. We're going to mush all this together. Okay? Take your writing utensil. We are mushing all this together. We're going to simplify all at once because when you're multiplying fractions, you multiply the numerator and then you multiply the denominator. So now it makes it easier for us to simplify. Okay? You guys with me on how we mushed it? Charles, are you okay? Okay. What is one thing we can simplify? There's a lot. Sean, what's one thing? On the bottom? Okay. So everyone circle these two ends, and then I'm going to underline these two x's. Is there anything else for now that we could simplify? I see one more thing. Emma M. Yep, so I'm going to put a little star here and a star here. We can subtract those ones. Oh, did I miss something? Oh, yep. Matt, what's the other one? Yep. Yep. Why? This one was moved to the bottom, Emma. Okay, Emma, hold on. Emma, what's wrong? To the bottom, because it was negative.
Oh, I changed the W.
Okay, don't do that. Okay, hold on. Shh. Because we have so much to simplify, let's simplify what we have, then we'll simplify more. I know there's more, okay? Let's simplify what we have first. Okay, so just draw a big fraction bar. Let me rewrite 2 to the 36. Em, are you okay? X to the 36. Who can tell us what this m becomes? Annalise? Good, m to the 20th. I'm going to rewrite the 3 to the 4th. What does this w become? Matt? Give it to me as negative. Good, negative 48. Okay, so I'm going to cross these off. We simplified the m's and the w's, so I'm going to cross those off. The bottom, we have 5 to the 12th. Okay, what does the n become? The circle in green. Alyssa? Good. Are you okay with that? Okay, we already did the w, so rewrite the 4 to the 2nd. Adam, what does the x become? Good, x to the 28th. Let me pause. Did everyone just simplify all that stuff? Annalise? Shh. Go ahead. If you want, just be careful. Just be careful, because that's a lot of stuff to do all at once. You can, though. You can if you want. You can. Just be careful. Okay. Now, is everyone else with me? Zach, you good? Okay, now what can we do? Sean, what can we do? Sorry. Okay. That's whatever you guys want. We could even simplify and move the negative in the same step. You know what I mean? Because moving the negative is still considered our simplify step. So let's move that, Sean, and then what else can we simplify? Anything else you guys see? Nope. So let's simplify. Let's rewrite 2 to the 36. What does the x become? Briar? Good. Rewrite m to the 20th, 3 to the 4th. Remember, the w is going to get moved, so don't write that there. The bottom is 5 to the 12th, n to the 94th, 4 to the 2nd, w to the positive 48th. Hold on one second. Anything else? Nope, that's the answer. So lovely, isn't it? Now, there actually is one more thing you could do. We're not going to do it, but anyone see what else we could do? Donatus? Yeah, you can either change the 2 to the 36 to 4 to the something, or you could change the 4 to the 2nd to 2 to the 4th. So you don't have to. I don't expect you to, but you could make these so that they have the same base. You won't have to do that on a standardized test. I just wanted to mention that. Secondly, I should really have all the numbers first and then the variables, but I would not mark something like that wrong if you got this whole problem right. I'm not too concerned about the order. Annalise? Never. I'm going to keep saying that every day. Exponential form. Alyssa? Nope. Nope. Because typically it'll be multiple choice and you just pick the right answer. And you guys will know, no matter what order, it's the same answer. Annalise? No. No, I knew what you meant. Nope. Any other questions? Okay, we have about 10 minutes. So, open up your homework packets, page 61 and 62. Well, hold on, not all of them. I need to pick them. So, on page 61, I want you to do 1 and 2. It's up to you. If you write big, yes. Shh. Hey. Okay, on page 62, I want you to try number 2. The other is it's on the back. Okay, so listen again. Page 61, 1 and 2. The back of page 62, number 2. You may use another sheet of paper if you want. If you write small, you can do them on here. If you get stuck or think you get to an answer, let me know. I can check it for you. If not, Monday we'll go over them. Maybe do one more if that. And then our last thing to talk about is scientific notation. I put on the board that your quiz will either be Wednesday or Thursday next week on 4.5 to 4.7. So just plan for the quiz. It's coming up. It depends on how you guys do with this and then how we do with scientific notation. Just like to give you a heads up. So go ahead and get started. Okay? Simplify completely. Leave your answer as exponents.